If you're into electronics, robotics, or circuit board repair, choosing the right soldering wire is essential. Today, we're diving into 5 of the best solder wires for precise electronics work in 2025. Let's begin with the MAIYUM 63/37 Rosin core solder wire. This solder is a favorite among electronics hobbyists and professionals alike, primarily because of its eutectic alloy ratio, 63% tin and 37% lead. This specific combination offers a low melting point of 183 degrees Celsius and transitions directly from solid to liquid, which is ideal for precise work on sensitive components. With a diameter of 0.8 millimeters, it strikes the right balance for both small-scale SMD soldering and larger through-hole jobs. The 1.8% rosin core ensures reliable wetting and minimal cleanup. Whether you're soldering microcontrollers or repairing headphones, the smooth flow and strong bond of the MAIYUM wire make it a dependable choice. It's also incredibly affordable and comes in a 50-gram spool, perfect for hobby use. Next up is the ENERSYSTEC lead-free solder wire, which uses the SAC 305 alloy formula, 99% tin, 0.3% silver, and 0.7% copper. This is one of the most recommended compositions for those who want to avoid lead without sacrificing soldering quality. Its 0.8 millimeter diameter is ideal for electronics, and the 2.5% rosin flux core provides excellent wetting characteristics even with the higher melting point typical of lead-free alloys. It's RoHS compliant and comes in a generous 500-gram spool, making it a cost-effective option for professionals or anyone soldering in bulk. Users appreciate how clean it burns and how little residue it leaves, especially when working with sensitive PCBs. If you're committed to eco-friendly soldering or work in an environment that requires lead-free material, this wire is a solid, reliable pick. For precision work, especially on very fine SMD pads, the MANDALA Craft's lead-free solder wire is an excellent candidate. This wire is composed of 99.3% tin and 0.7% copper, with no silver content, making it slightly more affordable while still delivering good strength and electrical conductivity. What makes this wire shine is its ultra-fine 0.6 millimeter diameter. This makes it ideal for tasks like soldering 0402 resistors, micro USB ports, or intricate drone repairs. The 2% rosin core helps create clean, smooth joints without the need for aggressive cleaning post-soldering. The compact 100-gram spool is great for field kits or travel toolboxes. It's not only reliable but also incredibly easy to manage, especially for those who work under a microscope or in tight spaces. Moving on to a more robust option, the TOWOT 63/37 high purity rosin core solder wire offers outstanding soldering performance with a thicker 1.0 millimeter diameter. This wire is perfect for larger applications like speaker wire terminals, PCB power lines, and motor connections. With its eutectic tin-lead alloy, it delivers fast melting and excellent flow, reducing the chance of cold solder joints. The 1.8% flux content ensures that oxidation is kept at bay during soldering, leading to durable, shiny joints. This model is ideal for general electronic repairs and offers peace of mind when working on high amperage circuits. For those who prefer classic leaded solder and need a slightly larger wire diameter, TOWOT provides consistency and excellent results. Finally, we have the SONEAK 6040 leaded solder wire, another solid performer that blends 60% tin and 40% lead for excellent mechanical strength and flow characteristics. This solder wire has a fine 0.6 millimeter diameter and comes on a generous 500-gram spool, making it suitable for repetitive or high-volume jobs. The 60/40 ratio gives a slightly broader melting range, which some users prefer when working with multi-layer boards or hand soldering on uneven surfaces. The built-in rosin flux core ensures reliable bonding, and users report minimal smoke and residue even when working at lower temperatures. It's an especially good option for educational labs, repair shops, or any workspace where versatility is needed across different component sizes and board types.